This is my 2003 G35 Coupe, and currently, it sounds like trash. So to deal with it, we're going to be putting a new exhaust on in this video and seeing how my friends like it.
So much better.
So boys, we're on the way right now to go get Jared. Jared's going to help us install this exhaust so I don't do it alone, and I have some help in this very cold New England weather. I'm gonna go get Jared, start this exhaust install. You have to play. Get done rapping, Jerry. You touch it sexually. Oh yeah. She's a good girl, ain't she? Oh, yeah. Look at that busted headlight. Oh. Yes. Yes.
Oh.
Okay, all right.
Fixed it.
Yeah, but look at the shift knob. It's all bent. Look at the boot.
Fixed it.
Yeah, but it's probably loose. Come on, make the noise.
Oh, yeah.
When's the last time you drove a manual?
Very long time ago.
Dude, you did a burnout in my driveway.
Hey, do you want to jump the jack stands in?
Yeah.
In the back seat.
This bastard hasn't get my stands. Here we go.
Take them.
Thank you. All right, let's take a quick look. See
The dent.
Oh.
Oh man.
It's like, why is this pipe so clean but then so gross?
No. What? Thing is, I'm quite high.
Can you straighten that stand out?
What?
You stand on the other side, can you straighten it?
Yes.
All right, boys. So today, we're getting rid of that thing and we're putting this candy.
Oh my, this is my first time seeing it.
Well, look at how big it is compared to me. Look at this exhaust, dude. This thing is a literal cannon. Look at the silencer in there. Yeah, look at how, just there.
That's insane.
Right. If it fits at least.
14.
It's a 14?
Yeah. Oh. Oh, it's hot.
It's hot.
It's not too hot, but it's hot. It's something. I just don't want to like send my knuckle through a wall.
Look at that.
Look at what?
Ew.
We're taking it out.
It's so nasty.
Where's the hanger?
All right, let's start her up.
Yeah. We could.
Let's do it.
Let's take the muffler out then. All right, I'm gonna need your help, so put this down.
I am going to do it like this, though.
Okay.
Yeah.
I need a cigarette.
Look at this, man.
Yeah. A little. Wait, do it again. Do it again.
Is it cat? There's a cat.
No, there's no. It's test pipes. No cats.
Oh, no.
It's just straight.
Hold on. Let me get a video.
This is off the header.
Hit it. Yo! Yeah, give me some beans. What the? Did it again!
No more.
God. God.
Yes, Jerry. Yes.
Oh,
Yes. Yes, that's a res pipe. Time to put this in.
All right, so now that we got the exhaust off, when you buy exhausts that come for the G35 Coupe, mainly because they come with the 350Z package, the wheelbase on the G35 Coupe is longer, so you need these pipes, these good old extension pipes, because the wheelbase is longer, so that when you buy exhausts like this that come for like the 350Z and the G35 Coupe, it mainly will only fit the 350Z, so you need this.
So we got the 3-inch exhaust extension in. Time to move on to the other pipe. All right, Jerry, time for the shiny. Look at that. You ready?
Aye.
Time for the main event. Now that we got this thing in, which should be the resonator pipe, but is obviously a straight pipe now. So, oh, Jerry, you excited? Okay. All right, one sec.
Hey.
Okay. Yeah. We install it like that.
Yeah, it'll burn off.
All right, here we go.
Oh. Wait, 1 second. There's a sticker on the ground. No, my sticker. Oh my. Dude. What the hell? Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, boys. She's a little lean to this way, but me and Jerry came with the solution that this will melt it.
Yeah, it's gonna melt it away.
We'll be fine, and then it should get it on.
Yep.
Yeah, we got it on. Hopefully it'll sound good. If not, we take the silencer off, then
Yes.
it'll sound even better. Are you ready?
Yes.
Honestly, I don't mind it.
No, it's better.
Yeah?
Better.
Small little rev. I don't mind it at all. Just let her go. Yeah. All right, so right now Jared's taking the silencer off. Jesus Christ, this thing is loud. And with the tune, it's spitting flames, so I don't know how I feel. It's gonna feel mean inside the car. It's gonna rumble like the whole car. But I have to get under there and fix all the leaks at some point and like tighten it more. But, woo! What are you doing?
Taking the silencer out.
No, that's
That's the silencer.
that is.
Yes.
No, that's the muffler part. That's the silencer.
Oh, this is just a. No.
No, that is the silencer. Look at all the shit coming out. It could be. See?
Yeah, it might be.
Told you. A little more. Okay. That's not bad.
Oh my god, it sounds so much better.
Yeah, doesn't it?
Oh my god, it sounds so much better. Dude, that's a world of a difference. Oh my god, it sounds like a G35.
Yeah.
What?
Sounds like an actual.
Oh, dude. Oh my god. It doesn't sound like a fart can anymore.
I know. That's called rust on the the
Like
brake.
that.
Don't do a burnout again.
Again? Wait, what? Oh, that wasn't as bad, dude. Oh.
Keep going. Oh, Jared.
What are we doing here?
So this is now the G35 drift car and how it sounds. Honestly, I love it. I can't be any happier with how it sounds. It is very loud, I can't lie. And this good old puppy is now very loud, but I would like to say that like I think like the cheapness was worth it because it is like a eBay exhaust and it was from this brand called KSP
but the same as all the eBay ones. So honestly, I'm proud of it. I'm proud with how it came out, and I think it sounds at least a lot better than the old one. I don't know, hope you guys liked it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. Let me know what you guys want to see next, and hopefully we'll be painting this platinum soon. I want to fix the interior a little bit, but we'll see. Thank you guys.